In 2026, your kitchen is finally getting a robot that doesn't just assist, it takes over. Imagine arms that chop and stir, machines that dispense ingredients on cue, and appliances that cook entire meals without you standing by. These smart kitchen robots aren't about gadgets, they're about freedom, flavor, and time. From fully automated robotic chefs to intelligent cooking companions, discover the top 5 smart kitchen robots of 2026. They'll let you relax while they handle dinner. Meet the Upliance 2.0, a smart kitchen companion designed to cook for you while you relax. With AI-powered cooking modes and over 750 guided recipes, it handles everything from steaming to baking with precision. Just set your preferences, low oil, high protein, or quick meals, and Upliance does the rest. Controlled by its sleek touchscreen or the companion app, it prepares food on time, every time. In 2026, the Upliance 2.0 isn't just an appliance, it's your personal chef built into one machine. Introducing the Suvie 3.0 Plus, the smart kitchen robot that refrigerates, cooks, and even air fries your meals with almost no effort. By combining multiple cooking zones, it lets you load ingredients in the morning, keep them fresh, and have dinner perfectly cooked by the time you're ready. With its new air fry mode, you can enjoy crispy, golden favorites with less oil and no hassle. Guided recipes and automatic timers make every dish foolproof, while the sleek companion app ensures you're always in control. In 2026, the Suvie 3.0 Plus isn't just another appliance. It's an all-in-one meal solution that saves time, energy, and makes cooking smarter than ever. Meet Nosh, the world's first true robo-chef built for your home kitchen. More than just a gadget, Nosh is a fully automated cooking system that chops, stirs, seasons, and cooks your favorite recipes with the precision of a professional chef. Simply load in the ingredients, select a recipe, and watch as Nosh prepares complete meals from start to finish. No monitoring, no mistakes, just perfect taste every time. Designed with intelligent sensors and preset programs, it adapts to cuisines from around the world, giving you restaurant-quality food without lifting a pan. In 2026, Nosh isn't just smart, it's a revolution in everyday cooking. Introducing the Thermomix TM7, the next-generation all-in-one kitchen robot that completely transforms the way you cook. At first glance, it looks sleek and compact, but inside, it replaces more than 20 different appliances. Chopping, mixing, steaming, kneading, blending, weighing, sautéing, even slow cooking, all in one powerful machine. The TM7 builds on Thermomix's legendary precision with a brighter touchscreen, smarter guided recipes, and advanced sensors that guarantee perfect results every single time. Whether you're a beginner in the kitchen or a seasoned chef, its step-by-step instructions walk you through every dish, adjusting temperature, time, and speed automatically, so there's zero guesswork. But this isn't just about convenience. With its huge online recipe library and community integration, you can access thousands of global dishes, add them directly to your weekly planner, and let the TM7 guide your shopping list. It even adapts to dietary needs, whether you want healthier low-oil meals, gluten-free options, or high-protein recipes for fitness. Compact enough to fit on any countertop, yet powerful enough to handle entire family meals, the Thermomix TM7 is more than just a gadget. It's a full smart kitchen packed into one device. In 2026, it's not about cooking harder, it's about cooking smarter. And the TM7 is leading that revolution. Introducing Posha, your very own private robo-chef that cooks full meals from start to finish. Compact, sleek, and fully automated, Posha handles chopping, stirring, seasoning, and cooking with precision, giving you complete dishes without lifting a finger. Just load in the ingredients, pick a recipe, and watch as it brings restaurant-quality meals to your table. With smart sensors and guided programs, Posha adapts to different cuisines, ensuring every dish comes out perfectly balanced and flavorful. In 2026, Posha isn't just a kitchen gadget. It's like having a personal chef at home, ready to cook for you every day.